Alright guys, welcome back. Today we'll be working on a new website and it's actually pretty exciting. I plan on rebuilding the landing page of GitHub. I think they recently updated their website. I think it looks quite nice actually, and they also introduced dark mode and stuff. And I thought that would be kind of a fun project to just try and rebuild at least a part of this landing page. We'll see how far we get. Maybe it's enough to like rebuild the first section here. And yeah, let's get started. Obviously the link to the code and to GitHub, everything will be down below in the description. Make sure to check it out and play around with it. The only thing I did in preparation is to take a couple of these images that are used here. So this rounded curve we can see here, that's an SVG. I copied that into Atom already. Then we have this kind of mascot or whatever you want to call it, this little avatar there, which I also pulled from their website as a JPEG. And then there is, let's see, there's the globe, which is animated with WebGL. That's not something we'll do today, but at least we want to have that image in there as well. And then there is a sort of hero glow, which is also an SVG file. And that's essentially in order to create this glow effect in these corners right there. But other than that, we'll be doing everything else together. So these are the images, and you can, they're probably copyrighted, so I won't put them into the code, but you can just get them from the site if you want to rebuild it yourself. Other than that, we have an index.html with our basic HTML structure, and I linked to a CSS style sheet here, which is the one we have here. It's still empty. So that's it for our code so far. Really nothing fancy. And yeah, I'd say we can start coding then. Let's start off with the HTML and the structure. So first of all, let's see, we should probably structure the site into two parts. So one of which will be like this dark area there, and then the lighter area which comes down below. So let's just use a section there and call it class should probably be like, let's say, header section. There's probably a better fitting term there, but whatever. And the other section will be, let's see, build like the best GitHub enterprise. Let's just call that enterprise section. All right. So in here, the first thing we need obviously is our navigation. So let's just say nav. So that's when we're going to put our navigation, our logo, and this little form or the search kind of thing. Then we have a, let's see, we have this text here and the form. So let's just put that in a wrapper let's say content. And the last thing we have there content wise are these stats. So let's just say .stats wrapper. And let's be consistent, call this content wrapper as well. Enterprise section, there's nothing going to be in there, I think. All right. Let's just start off by creating our background with the image, I guess. Okay. So our styles are linked, so let's just start off by resetting margins and paddings. Padding is supposed to be 0 as well, and box sizing whoops, box sizing, I like to have that on border box. All right, body. Let's see, for the body, it has to have a width of 100 viewport width units. And we can probably set the background color to be the color we have there. So that should be, whoops, no, that's not. This should be the color we need. So let's see, color slurp. And let's just grab the color there. Whoops. Okay. Background color is this. Okay, cool. Let's see. And then we need to probably set the SVG that's used for the glow there. So this one here. We probably need to apply it as a background image. Let's see whether this works. Image URL, blah, 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 blah. Let's try URL actually. Let's see. I need to grab canvas glow, blah, blah, blah. Hero glow, there we go. Open this in a new tab, please. We can probably use it like that. Awesome, that's working. Okay, whoops. Let's see, we need, obviously we need to set the background size to cover. All right. Probably needs to be slightly larger. Contain is probably not correct. Let's just keep it at cover for now, and then we can play around with it later on, right? Actually, how do you... Okay, let's just background size CSS. Is it possible to give values there? Probably, right? Yep. 50%. It's probably X and Y value. So let's say X value is 120% and Y is 100%. See? Okay, so that's not it. Let's see, 100 and 100. Hmm. 500 pixels, 500 pixels. Okay. No, this is not good. Background size. Let's just stick with cover. No, it's not perfect, but all right. All right, let's just stick with it for now. No, I don't want to stick with it. Let's see. Hero image, background color, height, background size, position center, background repeat, no repeat. Oh, actually, Okay, that's good. Ta-dum. Oops. Just trying out the values there. All right, and if I increase this, no, that should work, right? Yeah. Yes, and now we probably need to set background position center. Nope. Left. Nope. Right. Not at all. That's not ideal. It's kind of sitting like out to the sides. You know, this should be actually, as far as I know, you can also give the background position like normal values. Let's see, default value 0%, 0%. XY position, 100% auto, 150%. It's not doing anything. Position. All right, there we go. Yes, we are getting there. Yep. That's looking good. 70% is too much. 50 is actually perfect. I guess we just need to increase the size there. There we go. That's, I mean, it's not exactly what we have on GitHub, but it's pretty close, I guess. Okay, I think that's fine. Let's not waste any more time on the background image. All right, so that's that. And let's then try and position this the globe. So we have this header section there. All right. So let's see. Let's go and background image. Let's just put the globe. Let's do that later, actually. I'd like to put it into the content wrapper, I think. So let's just continue with the navigation then. So what we need here is nav. Actually, let's do nav wrapper. And inside of nav wrapper, we have our actual navigation. And the navigation is supposed to have a couple of links in it. Let's see, A times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And then we need to put an image there as well, which is the logo. So let's take a look at that. That's the logo. It's an SVG, so just copy it and put it in there. All right, let's check it out. All right. And we need, why GitHub? Well, yeah, that's a question. Why GitHub? Team, whoops, enterprise, explore, marketplace, and pricing. Okay, good. And then we also need, so that's nav wrapper. Then we need our kind of login thing and search. Let's just call it dot form, or let's call it dot search wrapper, and inside of it we need dot search, and we need a dot sign in and dot, let's see, dot sign up. Okay, so dot search has an input text name, let's say search, value none, but placeholder, whoops, placeholder should be search GitHub. Okay. Okay. Let's see. It's looking good. Let's go ahead and apply some styles to that. So first thing we need to do is center our nav wrapper. Dot nav wrapper. Let's apply a background color to see it. There we go. Dot nav wrapper. Let me think. Give me a minute. So what we probably need to do is say max width of like 80%, and margin should be 0 and auto. So we center that thing. Let's say 90%. Or actually no. Width should be 90% and max width, I don't know, let's say 1000 pixels maybe. Yeah, that's looking good. So next thing we need is to, let's say, display flex. Yep. And justify content space between. That's to separate the actual navigation from the search part. Okay. So that's good. I think we can go on with a nav. So nav needs to be, actually let's go nav and then SVG, and then say color is supposed to be white. Is it background color? Whoa, can we not set the color of it? Context, white, viewbox, true, fill rule, blah, 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 blah. Is there not a way to specify path, SVG? Oh, come on. I feel dumb. Let's see. HTML, SVG, set color. Actually, CSS. Fill. Oh. There we go. Easy as that. So nav, let's see, nav, okay. General styles, and then we have navigation. Nav needs to be display flex as well. Justify content center. Align items center. Nice. Let's see, let's give the nav wrapper some padding. Good. Let's give the SVG some margin right. Good. And then we need to go nav and A and give them some margin right as well to separate them from one another. Good, maybe 12 pixels. There we go. Then we need to obviously style them. So let's see which font are they using. CSS Peeper is awesome. Helvetica Alliance #1 Apple System. Helvetica should be fine. Let's just use that. Font family. Helvetica. Good. All right. Text decoration should be none. And font size should be all the way down. 12, maybe 13, something like that. Looking good. Looking real good. Obviously we have these kind of hover pop-ups. I'll not be focusing on them right now. I think that would be kind of too much for this video, but maybe in the next one. I think that's an interesting little video as well. Okay, so that's working. Let's see. Search. So search and dot, or actually we need dot sign in and dot sign up. Dot sign in and dot sign up. So what does the sign in button look like? Let's see. It's just text, okay. Obviously we forgot sign in and sign up. I like that. So we also need to style the search wrapper dot search wrapper, and we need to say display flex. Good. Then we can also say dot search wrapper and target every div inside of it and just give it some margin right of like 10 pixels to separate the different elements from one another. Good. Let's see. Sign in and sign up should obviously actually let's see. Guess we can take those out of there and just put them into the body, or not the body, but like that. That's easier. So now the sign up button has a border 1 pixel, solid and white. Okay. Display flex, justify content center, and align items center to center the text inside of it. Then the search wrapper also needs those, so justify content center and align items center. Good. Give it some padding. That's too much. And obviously some nice border radius. Too much again. Okay. So sign in, looking good. And then we need to style the form, obviously. Dot search input. Dot search wrapper. Dot search input. Okay. Actually, I don't think we need that one. That wrapper. Well, actually, let's just keep it then. So dot search and then input, and let's see. First of all, some padding. Too much again. Okay. Let's see. What does this thing look like? Background color. Okay. So border radius of 5 pixels again. Border should be none. Background color should be RGBA, and then let's just say white essentially, and then just drop the opacity all the way down. Yeah. We can also style the placeholder by saying, let's see, it should be placeholder like that, and then we can just decrease the font size and the color, change the color to white, right? Well, kind of a grayish color. Let's see, gray. Font size to 12 pixels. Does it even change anything? Yes. So 12 gray. Let's increase the padding a little. Looks a little off to me still. RGBA, actually, let's just take that color, drop it in there. Ah, right, that looks good. All right. Let's see. Okay. The padding there is still off. Maybe like 12. Okay, remove that ridiculous background color, and there we go. We still need to just change a couple of things. Letter spacing needs to be increased just a tad bit. Oh, well, that's a bit too much, unfortunately. Let's see, can we do like the 0.5? Yeah, okay, let's just do that. Let's see, increase the padding to 15 maybe. And I'm not happy with the search thing so far. The color there is different. Let's see, gray. Does dark gray work? Yeah. You know what? Why am I making it that complicated? Let's just grab that color and drop it in there. There we go. And then we need to decrease the opacity further. Nice. Font size 10. Awesome. Let's see, padding. Padding doesn't look quite right to me. 7 pixels, 7 pixels, 7 pixels, 7 pixels. Let's see, so this one should be increased to 10 maybe, and top should be decreased to 5. Okay. Yeah. Overall font size needs to be decreased a little bit to 12. Let's see, padding. Nice. That's looking pretty accurate, actually. Good. All right, let's go. This is taking a bit too long. Let's see, we're at half an hour already. All right. Let's go. So next thing we have here is the content. The content includes, let's see, content wrapper, okay. And then let's just say content, and then let's say h1, where the software is built, all right. And then let's say h4, and then just grab that paragraph there, whoops. Hey. Okay. And then let's say dot form wrapper, and then we need an input again. Text name is supposed to be email. The value should be none, but instead of it we need a placeholder again. Placeholder email address. Okay. And then dot sign up. Well, sign up. Well, that's sign up button. Let's call it green sign up. Green sign well, no, let's say main sign up, and it should actually be called button, but okay. All right, so that's this, and then the content wrapper. This is where I would like to include the image. So let's see, globe.jpg. So source is /image/globe.jpg. Globe. All right. Good. So dot content wrapper and dot content. So let's see, content. First thing we need to do is say dot content wrapper and make that thing visible, background color red. And then we need to say dot content wrapper, dot content simply, and make that visible as well. Just say blue. Dot content wrapper dot content obviously cont. There we go. All right, and then next thing is take the content wrapper, give it display flex. Good. Take the content and let's see, dot content and JPEG, our image, height 200 pixels. Wait, why is it not working? Image source blah blah, height dot content and then image. Why is it not dot content image? Am I doing something wrong here, guys? Let's see. We need to scale it down. All right, this is probably not perfectly clean, but let's just say transform scale for the sake of getting ahead a little more quickly here. Hey, why? It's not doing anything. Why is that? Image back. Oh, well, obviously we shouldn't do that, but that has nothing to do. Dot content image. Content. Oh. There we go. And obviously it needs to be quite a bit larger. Well, yeah, maybe 600. Yeah. Okay. And I'm already seeing a problem there with the background color, but let's just not worry about that right now. Let's see, we have nav wrapper, blah, 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 section. We had a section here, right? Dot header section. Dot header section also needs a couple styles. Let's see, dot header section, display flex, justify flex direction, I mean, needs to be column, and then justify content space around, maybe. Nope, space between. Nope. Well, no, this is not what we are trying to do. Let's see. Okay, actually this is not necessary. What we need to do is take the, what is it? The nav wrapper. And just give it some margin bottom. That's fine, I think. 50 pixels. maybe like 70. Okay. Something like that. Okay, great. Let's go ahead. The content, okay, content means display flags. Flags direction should be column. Align items should be center. No, probably not. No, justify content should be center. There we go. Give it some padding, I guess. Padding 0 and then 50 pixels. Good. Yes. Dot content h1 needs to be a lot bigger. Let's see. Font size, or let's see, 50 pixels. Where the world builds software. Okay, let's just keep it at that for now. Okay, that's kind of a problem with the globe there. We need to change its... We need to get it without the background. Let's see. Oh, let's see. So that's globe canvas. Yeah, right, but I can't just web shell canvas JS globe canvas globe container. Let's see. Sources, GitHub, images, assets, and now images, home, logo, action spanner, blah 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 blah, globe, hero glow, nah, this is not cool. Assets, blah blah blah, no. What can we do about it? Well, we could just we could simply say we remove the glow thing, and then this is looking sort of right. Let's see, pick color, this one, and change the body's background color to that. That's still not looking perfect, but it's fine. Okay, let's just keep it like that then. We obviously, let's see, we should maybe remove the padding here and just give the content wrapper itself padding. Well, not that much, relax. Yeah, okay. $80. All right. Okay, H1, let's see, font weight should be all the way up. Well, Helvetica doesn't support more than that, I guess. Well, 800, yeah. Let's see, font, what was it? Font weight. Oh, actually, yeah, okay. Bold doesn't do anything else. Okay, let's just, well, then we can just keep it like that because it's an H1 there. Where the world, is the break correct? Yes, okay. Let's decrease the line height to 20 pixels. Nope. 30, 35, 45, 48 maybe. Okay. And we need, actually, let's see, try different fonts, enter, and then try to increase the font weight 800. Well, that's a little better already. And increase the font size to 60. Letter spacing 0. We need to keep it from breaking there. So what we need to do is, let's see, what does our structure look like? Content. So content needs to be flex, let's just say flex 1.2. As far as I know, this should work. Grow. Wait, content wrapper is flex, and then okay. Okay. I guess we can also just decrease the size of the image. Yeah, but where the world builds, why? Okay. Okay, let's keep going. Content H4. Font size in this case should be 20 pixels. Line height should be 25 maybe. But it should be down. Letter spacing is fine. Color needs to be changed. Whoop. Okay. Color should be that. Let's see, ship, and all right. Some more line height, and H1 obviously needs some margin bottom. Okay. Okay. 400. I'm just playing with the values there. Okay, so this one also needs some margin bottom, like 20 pixels, 15 to stay consistent there. All right, and then for, let's see, concerning the where is it? The form wrapper input dot form wrapper, and the next thing we need is dot form wrapper input. Form wrapper input can essentially get these styles and just change the background color to white. Good. The width should be increased to like 200 pixels. Let's see. All right. Padding should be increased to like 20 pixels. Nope. 15, 12. 10. Okay. And then our sign up button, main sign up, right? Okay. Sign up, what does it say? Sign up for GitHub, right? Let's see. Sign up for GitHub. Okay. Dot main sign up needs a couple styles. Background color, let's grab it like that. Form wrapper needs to be display flex. All right, form wrapper input needs to have some margin right. But these are like very easy styles, guys. I'm just trying out different values, playing around with things, trying to make it as similar to the actual site as possible, you know? It's probably, I hope it's not boring, guys. So 10 pixels, no, actually we decided on 5. And again, it needs display, flex, justify content, center, and align items center. We need to increase the width to like, what? Wait a second. Okay. 150 pixels. Yeah, that's looking good. 220 maybe, or 10. Nice. Okay. That's looking really good in my opinion. Let's remove those weird ass backgrounds. Nice. One thing I like to do though is take dot content and maybe give it some margin right to push the image a little bit further to the right side. Oh no, that's not how it works. Let's see, we need it to move to the right. What are we going to do? Let's see, image, let's try a trick. So margin right minus 20 pixels. Yup. Okay. Okay. Let's see, where did we apply the margin bottom? It's on navigation. Wait, what? Didn't we apply a padding there? Margin? Yes, nav wrapper has the margin. Let's see. .nav wrapper. Yeah, there we go. Just wanted to decrease that. Oh, it's actually nearly hitting that. Okay. This should be fine then. So we can just leave it out. Alright. Let's go. Whoa, 130 lines. Okay. Next thing we need are the stats. So we have the stats wrapper. We need one horizontal rule. Then we need dot stats. Inside of it we need dot stat times 4. Each one of it gets an h3, which says 56 plus million, and then h4 developers. Developers can't type. Okay. Like that. That's it for the HTML. Let's see. Statistics. Dot stats wrapper. Background color red. Okay, display flags. Flags direction should be row in this case. Wait, what? Okay. Wait. Ah, okay. Actually, yes. Dot stats. Dot stats. Display flags. There we go. Don't need those. And dot stat. Oh my god, those class names are ridiculous. 50 pixels, increase the margin there. All right. And then we need dot stat h3 and dot stat h4, like that, and remove those properties. Okay. Dot stats wrapper needs some padding of like, let's see, 0, and then what do we use on content? Content wrapper 80 pixels. Nice. Okay, let's go. Dot stats wrapper. Horizontal rule. Okay. Width 1 pixel. Oh no. Height 1 pixel. Oh, I don't like these horizontal rules. They always have like this weird color to them. Whatever. Color. Let's see. Is it actually color or is it something? Is it background color? No, it's actually border color, I think. Yeah. And in this case, we need RGBA. 255 and 255 and 0.1 or 3. Okay. And it needs to have some margin bottom. Let's see, 15 pixels. And the H3, they need to have a larger font size. No, quite a bit smaller than that. Okay, font weight 400. Okay. Margin bottom, change the text. Okay. Okay. And then those are much smaller. Even a bit smaller than that. Alright. What kind of font is that? Let's see. SF mono console, that should do. Font family. I guess that's the font I have. Let's see. Nice. That's looking good. And they need to have a opacity of like 0.5. Okay, awesome. That was quick. Let's remove it. And still that HR still looks really weird. Let's see. How can we fix that? Well, obviously not like that. Oh, actually, yes. That's dumb. We don't need an HR. What we can do is just take stats and say border top, 1 pixel, solid, RGBA. Just copy that, paste it in. Awesome. And then we can just give it some padding top. Yes. Nice. And just give it some margin top. Yes. Okay. Well, okay, let's just add the different values here. So we have 3 million organizations, we have 100 plus, 300 plus, and 72%. Fortune 50. I don't know whether that should be Fortune 500 or not. Let's see, repositories, organizations, and developers. Cool. Okay. Let's see, can we decrease the font weight a little there? Well, didn't do anything. All right, so the last thing we would have to add is this boy. So let's see, enterprise section. We need to copy that SVG and just paste it in there. And what we need to do next is, let's check if it works. Yep, oh, awesome, okay, cool. That was easy. So what we could do here is say .stats wrapper and margin bottom, 100 pixels maybe, to drop it down. Well, not that much. 50, all right, and enterprise section, enterprise should be, let's see, enterprise, no, we need, let's see, .enterprise section, we need to give it a background color of white. Huh. Okay. Position is relative, and position of the, let's see, enterprise section SVG should be absolute, and then we can say top 0 and maybe go minus 10 pixel, minus 10, what? No, wait, this is not what we want to do. Position relative, position absolute, position is supposed to be relative. SVG, enterprise section SVG, yes. Why? Okay, you know what? We can simply probably just put that in there, and this way we can probably just take enterprise section, give it a height of like 500 pixels and the background color of white. There we go. And then just margin top, let's do minus 5 pixels to close that gap. Awesome. That's looking really good. Just noticing there, we can, let's see. Oh, it's already at 0. Okay. So that is the curve. And then we need to position that thing there. The problem about that image is that it also has a background, I think. Well, it has this background. That won't work. That will not work. We would have to have this image without a background, you know? That's the problem. It should have a transparent background. But, well, whatever, that's just a small little detail. I think we have already done pretty good work, and I think I'll wrap up this video for now. If I'm going to add anything to this website, I'll probably make a video about it. But other than that, I hope you enjoyed this one. Make sure to comment and subscribe. If you have any questions, just leave a comment down below. I'll make sure to answer. And if you have any suggestions for upcoming videos, also leave them down below. And yeah, till then, we'll see us in the next video. Stay safe and bye.